Students, today we are starting our first exercise of lesson square and square roots. Okay, so in that you know that square, that means the when number multiplied by itself, so the that is the square. Okay, then we will see the one by one solution of the exercise 3.1. So you see that your first question is show that the following numbers are not a perfect square. So you have to write down that these numbers are not a perfect square. So we will see it. We know that the natural numbers ending with the digits 2, 3, 7, 8 are not a perfect square. So what you want to do? You want to just take out the last digit of your number. So your number is 54,473. So the last digit is 3. So therefore that numbers end with the 3. Then next 4058, that number is end with 8. So that will end with 8. 24,257. So last digit is a 7. So our number ends with digit 7. And in fourth example 3332. So that number ends with a digit 2. So you see that when natural number ending with a digit 2, 3, 7 or 8, so these are the not perfect square number. Understand? You just want to check out the end digit of your number. If it is 2, 3, 7, 8, then it is not perfect square. It is very simple to understand. Then we will see the second question. What will be the unit digits of the square of the following number? Okay. So square of the following numbers you have to check out. We will see it one by one. So your first number is 1234. So that number ends with the 4. You know what is the square of 4? It is 16. Okay, so the number square of the number ends with the digit 6. It is very simple. You just want to check out the last digit and then write down the square of that last digit, so you know that which one is the end or the which one is the unit digits of the square of a number. Okay, then we will see the second example. In second example 4329 ends with a 9. So what is the square of the 9? It is 81. So our unit digit of the square number is 1. Then next example 8723. It ends with the digit 3. So the square of the digit is 9. So therefore our unit digit of the square number is 9. Understand? It is very easy. You just want to write down the square numbers. Okay. Then we will see the next example. Which of the following square end with the digit 1? Okay. So 1 whose square having the 1? So you see that the 1 square is equals to 1. Okay, and 9 square is equals to 81. Okay, so these two digits are ending with the 1 and 1. So 37, it is not. 321 and 559, only these two are the numbers, their square ending with the unit digit 1. Okay, then we will see the fourth example. Determine whether the square of the following numbers are odd or even. Okay, you just have to check out if the number is the odd, then square of that number is also odd. If the number is even, then the square of that number is even. It is very easy. So you just check. Your first example is a even number. So therefore square is also even number. Second example is odd number, so the square is also odd number. Third example is even number, so square is even number. Fourth example is even number, so square is also even number. You just want to check out the number. If it is even, then square also even. If it is odd, then square also odd. Okay. Then we will see our fifth question. So in that question, you want to find out how many natural numbers lies between the square of the following numbers. So how many, that means कितने natural numbers है. अब suppose 25 square and 26 square. So 25 square तुमको चेकआउट करना है एंड 26 का स्क्वायर चेकआउट करना है और उन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में कितने नेचुरल नंबर्स है ये काउंट करना है. तो इसके लिए हम अगर देखेंगे तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. पहले 26 का स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करेंगे, देन 25 का स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करेंगे और उन दोनों के बीच में कितने नंबर्स आते हैं वो काउंट करेंगे. बट इट इज़ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. So you just have to check out these two numbers are consecutive numbers or not. Consecutive, that means the continuous. So here you check out 25, 26 are these consecutive numbers. That means no any natural numbers available between these two numbers. Okay. So you just find out the smallest number between these two. So the smallest number between these two is 25. So directly you multiply it by 2. So 50 natural numbers are there in between square of 25 and the square of 26. Okay. Then second example is you have to check out the natural numbers between 19 and 20. So first step is these two are the consecutive numbers. Okay. Then the smallest number is 19. So you just multiply it by 2. So your solution is 38. It is very simple. Okay. Then the last question of our exercise, find the square of the following numbers without actual multiplication. Without actual multiplication, you want to find out the number, square of the number. You check out in all the example, the digits end with the 5. Okay. So what you want to do? You want to write down the 5 at the end of the every number. Okay. Then next step is you want to check out the first digit. You see that the first digit in the first example is the 6. So the next number of the 6 is 7. So what you want to do? 6 into 7, it is 42, and directly write down 25. So your solution is 42, 25. Then in next example, 9 is there. So next number of the 9 is 10. So 9 into 10, 90. So 90, 25. It is very simple. Then 20, here you check out 20. Then the next number is the 21. So 20 into 21, it is 420. So 420, 25. So this is very simple. But that method is used when only your number ends with the 5. Okay. All of you understand that exercise? Then solve that exercise. Thank you.